Aptas Ayurveda. Reach Ayurveda to each. Charaka for Immunity. Biggest ever national level video contest on behalf of Charaka Jayanti 2021. Presented by Team Aptas. Co-sponsored by Himalaya Wellness Company, Shri Dhutapapeshwar Limited, YSS College of Pharmacy, Nursing and Paramedicals.
Immunity has become a burning topic in the present scenario. All are exploring ways to build their immunity. The key to this lies in our very own Charaka Samhita. Charaka has mentioned the concept of immunity, the techniques to build immunity, and even the drugs for the same. This concept was mentioned in Charaka Vimanasthana, 3rd chapter, where he equates the immunity to the innate strength of the person. This strength is of 3 types as told in Charaka Sutra 11th chapter. The innate immunity, that's from birth, one which is influenced by the seasons and time period. Both of these are not under our control. The third is one which is altered by the diet and exercise and various other activities, which is called or understood as the acquired immunity. So to assess the strength of a person, we will apply the Sara Pariksha mentioned in the Charaka Vimana 8th chapter, through which we can understand the nourishment of the tissues and the mind. After that, we need to prescribe some of the diet and lifestyle changes. So these factors which are responsible for increasing the strength or immunity are found in Charaka Sharira 6th chapter. The detailed explanation for each of these factors can be found throughout the Sastha Chatushka mentioned in the Sutrasthana, which deals with the daily regimen, seasonal regimen, codes of conduct, etc. It's striking to note that for a healthy person, as a daily routine, the Achara Rasayana, which is mentioned in Charaka Chikitsa 1st chapter, will be very helpful because it includes food products like milk, honey, various activities like exercise, and also codes of conduct like respecting elders, speaking the truth, etc. It's striking to note that various drugs like the Indian gooseberry, the winter cherry, Tinospora, licorice, etc. have been researched and found to have immunomodulatory effects. And these are the same drugs used for the rejuvenation formulations by our Acharya. He has mentioned these not only for the healthy person to maintain immunity, but also as part of the treatment protocol of each disease. In the end, certain Rasayana formulations have been prescribed which will help the person to build back the immunity. So with this simple explanation, we can understand how important is the concept of immunity in Ayurveda, and there are so simple ways like the diet, lifestyle changes which will help us to remain healthy and have a strong immunity. So let's live the Charaka way. Thank you.
Subscribe and share this video to all and join hands with us to reach Ayurveda to each.